I think this journey, expat tour journey, has been phenomenal. And language, culture are two important pillars of a society, and Ecuador has been just phenomenal. People are just superb. I mean, they are so human, friendly, loving, kind. Culture. They are always smiling and always willing to help you. The natural beauty is the third phenomenon that's helped me. Most important of the beauty of Ecuador is the simplicity of life. So, Expat Journey has been phenomenal with its team members to help us understand the language, the culture, and the beauty and the rituals that exist in Ecuador today. I think it's a fantastic journey. It is something that we all have to really immerse in. Come over here to Ecuador with Expat Journey and try it for ourselves and be a judge, and then should it become a part of you or fascinate you, come over as an expat to Ecuador.